It was maybe a day, maybe 2 days ago, we were talking about Oppo and the fact that they were going to release 120, or not release, but announce, show off 125 watt smartphone. Crazy. I mean, it's hard, you got to call it even beyond fast charging at this point. It's really hyper charging. Does anyone use that language? Probably someone does. Anyways, they showed off 125 watt tech that'll charge up a 4,000 milliamp hour phone in 20 minutes. A lot of people are skeptical of this tech, or they're nervous about this tech, saying, oh my goodness, there's going to be so much heat. My battery is going to explode, this and that. And Oppo claims that they got it figured out. They say, hey, leave it to us. We're going to keep the temperature down. We're going to put sensors all over it to make sure it doesn't overheat. By keeping the temperature down, it's also going to extend the lifespan of that particular battery. Look at the beautiful graphic, Super VOOC. That was 2.0 on the channel on Unbox Therapy. And that was some quick Googling by Willie Doo. He brings up the video. He shows it off. It's unbelievable. We didn't plan that. The headline figures of the system are that it can charge a 4,000 milliamp hour battery in 20 minutes. And 41% of that battery in 5 minutes. That's some real-time stuff if you watch it. This would beat Oppo's own record for fast charging battery of that size by around 10 minutes. A huge improvement. It'll be a bigger charger, by the way, which is important to note as well. They also put out a much faster wireless charger at 65 watts. If you scroll down a little bit on this article, you'll see that unit. It's called AirVOOC, as it would be called, as you would do if you were into the VOOC business.
Yeah.
You put an air in front of it. And so that's some new tech as well to bring some of that fast charging capability to the wireless folks as well, which is kind of nice. Now, if you click over to the next tab, you'll actually see a video demonstration. This is the new piece of this 125 watt live flash charge. Check the speed. And you let this play. And of course, it's sped up a little bit, but you watch this clock when they turn the power on, and my God,
Very satisfying.
If that doesn't get you going, I don't know what will. You're in the wrong business if that doesn't get you going, Will.
And the temperature gauge.
5 minutes, you were almost at 50%. And now we're still flying. And look at this. It's going to hit 20 minutes, and it's going to be 100%. That's some next level Super VOOC. And Oppo's behind it. So it's some really impressive stuff. You plug in your phone, you unplug it, and you got juice for the whole day. I mean, it's an incredible thing to see. Yes, it's sped up, okay? But just 5 minutes, half your battery. And they also have the temperature sensor, like you said. So they are monitoring it. They're aware of it. They care about it. Long term, of course, you got to wait to see how the reliability looks and all the rest of it. But technology, man, I'm a technology fan. All right, I'll see the comments. People say you don't need all that, but if I can get it, then it's kind of cool.